Hi everyone, today I'm going to take us on the introduction to computer, how we can efficiently use our computer. When we look at here, down here where the cursor is, that is where we call the taskbar. Yeah, we can put things there so that accessing it can be so easy. Yeah, so that is the taskbar. Here, these are the applications we have in our PC. Yeah, those are the applications we have in a computer. They have just been installed. So these ones with a arrow, you see those tiny arrows, those are actually shortcuts. They are not the exact applications in there. So those are just shortcuts. So here, this one is a folder. A folder can be having other subfolders inside. For example, when we open this one, let's try and open it out. Yes, it's opening. It's opening. Let's try and open ours. So when we open it, you can see those movies inside. That one is a folder. A folder can have other subfolders, as I've told you before. So let's close that one and we check another one. Here is where we can get our power button. So when you want to restart a computer, of which we call booting, by the way, starting a computer that had been completely off, that is what we call booting. But rebooting a computer or restarting a computer, it's what we call warm booting. So when we come here is where we get those options for booting. And you come to this icon, that little icon you're seeing. When we tap it, it will take us to that option of booting. Let's wait. Yes, as you can see, sleep. When you go to sleep, you time after some few seconds, and then from there you can put it off. After you time it, like after some 5 minutes, I want my PC to power off. Yeah, that is the use of that sleep button. Now here, when we check it, that one is shut down. That one is powering it off now. And then here is restart or reboot. When we click it, the computer will shut down and it will restart automatically. Yeah, I think we are done with that part. So guys, here, this one here is what we call the recycle bin. The recycle bin is where deleted items from the PC are kept. But this only applies to items that are in the computer storage, not items in the external drive. So let's delete the folder Jovan. When we delete this folder, the delete is here. So after deleting, we can all see that its space is now blank. If we want to retrieve it, we go back to the recycle bin. I hope we are seeing the recycle bin. So you open the recycle bin. The recycle bin is opening, and we look for that folder. The folder is here even. Very easy to see. So from the folder, you can click on and you go to restore. So when you restore, you can even see it's moving, and it has already moved. So here there is now nothing completely. When you check our PC, it's not there in the recycle bin, but it has gone back to its place where it was before we deleted. So if you can also notice, let's go back there and check if it's already come back. Yes, as you can see, it's just here now. You see, it's now back here. You see our Jovan is now back here. That means anything you have deleted from a PC, you can get it back. So guys, using a PC is just something so simple. So let's try one more thing. Let's open another one. Let's open view. When you open this folder view, it's opening. We give it time. Alright, when you see this space here, this one is now to close the taskbar. When you click on that X, meaning you're closing your taskbar. This one here, it means you're minimizing the size, keeping it in the screen but small. Let's try it. You see, it's in the screen but it's small. So we can decide to close it. But again, on the other hand, when you open it, let's open Jovan. We open it, we can increase, and here it's minimizing completely. You see, when we click, it is minimized, but it's still down. We have not yet closed the folder. So guys, using a computer is very simple, as you have all seen what I've been doing. So there is no need to have that high pressure when you see a computer. So guys, that's briefly what I can give to you right now about computer. I hope we'll be communicating from now and then. Thanks so much. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. We meet again in my next video. Thank you so much.